project work. Employability trainers Moses and Reena.
When candidates do work, they learn. So usually in our organization NGO, what we do, we give different real work to candidates. They will do and they will learn from that. So what you have to do, you need to find out in your institution what are the works you can give to candidate. For more information, you can look into manual.
Employability trainer Reena along with visually impaired computer trainer Sandesh. Sandesh has given work to the hearing impaired students and has come to review. Reena is the interpreter for him.
Okay, new hi.
Hi.
Okay, everybody is saying hi to you, Sandesh.
I need to know where is my project and all. I want to see all my tactile diagrams.
Is the project you want to see all project work. Okay. Okay, team leader is coming. Begin. Yeah.
Sandesh is reviewing the quality of each tactile diagram. First one, thumbs up.
Oh, good.
Second one, thumbs up. Third one, thumbs down. Fourth one, thumbs down.
Quality is very poor. My time waste, my money waste, and I have lost your trust. Tomorrow I have to stop my training. You do not know the meaning of quality. I'm unhappy about this. I will take my project back.
Okay, he's telling project will take. No, he's telling they'll do again and they'll give to you. Is that fine? Fine?
I need this, all the tactile diagrams should be ready before tomorrow 9 o'clock morning.
Tomorrow morning, 9 o'clock should be ready.
Will you able to do that?
Possible? He's telling tomorrow morning only it is possible. Maybe afternoon can they give?
No.
I'm telling no. Morning only he wants because morning he's starting training. You all decide. Send SMS. I will inform.
Team leader distributes tactile diagrams to team members.
Oh, how do we solve this problem?
Let's stay all night, work late night, and then go home, okay?
No, I can't stay. My home is far. My mother will get angry.
But this is important work.
What to do?
Think.
No, I can't. Wait, I have an idea. I'll take this home, do it tonight, and bring it back tomorrow.
Okay.
Rizwan Pasha, former student with visual impairment, working as field officer in Mobility India and Enable India.
जब मैं ट्रेनिंग में था Moses had given the one project for me to street light. You have to put street light. Really, I taken the project. I went to the BBMP office nearest by Kendra Bank. From there, I asked. They didn't give any response. What I decided, I called Jesdale. I asked information. I want street light. Who shall I contact that? Which manager I want to contact? Which Tahsildar I want to contact? They given every details from that. I went there. Now street light is available in Kanyala Mantapa. We want to build the land. I want to put that set.
Srinivas, former student with visual impairment, working as telecaller in Rixins.
I have done some real work like Access India email listings and job fair at Mysore. So actually I have one big database. So by taking the database, I need to take the number and call the candidates and informing about our event. And apart from that, I need to give some information. If they come to that event, what will happen to their future? How can it help them in that future? So I need to explain them in according to that. So sometimes I need to speak with their parents. I need to convince. And impact of the event is many of them have got employment. There's no need to depend on their parents. They can manage that themselves.
Arjun C. Former student with hearing impairment.
You tell me about project work.
As part of my project work, I did 4 projects. I made a disability specific PPT, worked on quality exercise, Excel project, and tactile diagram project. When I was taught the disability specific module, it was without pictures. Now I added pictures to that module and made a PowerPoint presentation, which is very easy for the deaf students. I am very happy and proud. I also made the presentation in Hindi. This was used in Odisha for training persons with physical disability. I learned many things from this. When I went for interview at EMC Square, manager asked me a lot of questions regarding my project work.